If you are also in the AI, you may heard about this tool called CloudBot, which is pretty popular right now. It's like over popular. Everyone is talking about the CloudBot, and this is like insane tool. I will talk you about like what this CloudBot is in a simplest language possible. If you click on this video, I'm sure that it might be a little bit of hectic and a little bit of complex topic is going on in your mind. You're not sure what this tool actually is and what it can do. So in this video, I will go through the easiest, simplest language, the beginner friendly language. So you know what this tool is, what it can do for you, and how you can get the use of this tool. People right now are purchasing the Mac Mini like crazy. The sales for the Apple Mac Mini goes so high because of this tool only. So basically what this ClawdBot is, let's say. So you can't see the name ClawdBot here. You can see the word OpenClaw. Well, there is a story behind this as well. So this tool basically, let's go with a start. This tool designed by the Peter Steinberger. So he created this tool in a weekend project, right? And first the name was ClawdBot, but because the Claude was kind of sounds like a name of the Claude, which is another tool, another AI tool. So he changed the name to a moltbot, but moltbot sounds like a bit more difficult to pronounce. So he come up with another name called OpenClaw, right? So open represent the open source and the claw represent like a lobster heritage. So that's like how he come with the name OpenClaw, right? So this tool basically is like an AI agent that access your computer and do the whole work for you, right? Well, is this something which is like completely new? There was nothing like this before. That's not true. Before this OpenClaw, before this ClawdBot, there are other AI agents that doing the work for you that you can ask and it can do the work for you, right? So this is not something that is completely totally different. But the reason like why it's so, first of all, it is open source. Anyone can access it. Anyone can download and start using it. Second, it has the control of your complete system. So it can access your computer and do the work for you without you telling it. So there were agents out there who were doing it, but first you have to set up those agents. That was a complex thing. And second, after you set up those agents, then you have to give them the access of specific tools, and they have some kind of limitations on what it can do. But with the incredible with OpenClaw or the CloudBot is, it can access your tools, it can access different websites, it can access your system and can do whatever they want, right? You have to tell them what you wanted them to do, but it can think and it can act for you, right? That is actually a something another level. So this is kind of a revolution in the industry, the AI industry. And now this is gonna change the world in a very different way. Like, and I'm a bit afraid because this is not just a good thing. Also, there's also a bad side of this. We'll talk about that later on. But let's see this tool. So this AI actually does things. That's true. This is actually, it does not talk. So if you compare it with the ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek, it not just like talk to you, give you the AI content, not like that. It can actually do the things for you. If you wanted to send an email to someone, if you wanted to filter out your email, if you wanted to book the appointment, if you wanted to book the flight, they can do it for you. If you wanted to scroll the internet and find out something, they can do it for you. You don't need to do it. If you wanted to invest in the stock market, they can invest for you. It can access your card and it can do the investment. It can like book the meetings for you. It can do the reservation for you. Whatever you want at that, an actual human assistant can do. OpenClaw or the ClawdBot can do that for you, right? So as you can see here, some of the basic things like clear your inbox, send email, manage your calendar, checks you in for flight, all from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat that you already use. Well, these are the very basic things they said, but it can go much beyond that, right? If you want to ask it like, okay, I'm giving you this much money, make me the money out of it, it can do that for you, right? So just give it the access of your system, of your computer, and then it will do whatever you want like a real human. Okay, it can think, it can act on its own. So here are some of the things what people are saying about it. See, this guy saying create your own OpenClaw. Go in that in you have. I love the idea of this nerdy crab chilling in my attic on my Mac studio, just giving me set. Finally got the around to something setting up OpenClaw, and it is truly the best AI tool at the moment. Of course it is, because it is doing something that no other tool outside doing it, right? The way to install is not that easy. I mean, it's not that complex as well. You have to just basically copy this code and paste on your terminal of your computer, right? Open the command prompt, paste this, and this will install the OpenClaw on your system. So the best part with this tool is, first of all, it is free, and second, it installed on your computer, so it runs from your system. It runs from your server. You have to just let your system on, and then it will run from your system, access your system, access the browser, access your accounts, and do the work for you. This is something like really crazy. So as you can see, it runs on your machine, and that's the best part of it. Either you are using Mac, Windows, Linux, Anthropic, or whatever model or whatever system you are using, it can run on your system. And not even on your system. If you feel like no one wanted to run on your system, you can run it on the virtual server, and then also you can use it. That is the best and safest way. I will tell you about that in the next video, how you can install OpenClaw on the virtual server so that you can keep your computer safe. Right now, many people are purchasing the uh, mm, what Apple Mac Mini for this. I mean, you don't need to spend $700 on that. You can just simply purchase the cheapest hosting on the virtual server, and then you can use this tool. That is easiest way. Now, how do you actually use it? To give it a command, you don't need to do anything. You can simply use like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Signal, any kind of messaging app, even the phone call. It can call you to talk to you, and you can give it a command and tell it like, okay, I want this to do, and do it. It's like a real human talking to you. It can use the 11 labs or any other AI tool to do the call to you, to the call to anyone else, right? So for example, if you wanted to, let's say if you wanted to book the meetings, if you wanted to book the calls, if you wanted to generate the clients, this can do for you. It can do the cold calling for you. It can do like appointment booking for you. It can handle the call, like the inbound calls for you. Like for the business owner, this is gem. Literally, I mean, like you can right now you can instantly start your own business. You can start like getting clients right away, and you don't need to do anything. It will do everything for you. So crazy, isn't it? Another crazy thing is like it have persistent memory. So with the problem with other AI agents, they have a memory problem. But this remember everything that you talk to, and that's uniquely yours. It's not mixing up the memory with the other people's. It is like completely your memory, whatever they talk with you, and remember everything. So it won't forget the context. It won't forget the what they talked earlier, and that's the best part of it. And that way, it acts in a more personalized way for you. So it is not something like it is doing some action on a random like based on the online guide. No, it's based on your preference, like what you do, what you like, what you don't like, how you act. Based on that, it will take the actions for you. That is really amazing and that is crazy. Another thing is control your browser. So if you have to browse the web, it had to fill the form, it had to extract the data from somewhere, it had to access any kind of site that you are accessing it. It can do that for you completely, and it have full system access. So it access your complete system, right? Read the files, write the file, create, delete, any kind of thing, right? Run the command prompts, run the execute script. It can completely access your system and do whatever it wants with that. Okay, whatever you want basically it to do. And then this is the best part of it. It have also some skills and plugins that you can use to extend the possibility, extend the potential of this tool. So for example, if you want to do something extra, there are skills available outside, right? Some kind of plugins, some kind of extensions available that you can install, and it can do even that work. I will show you that as well. So first of all, let's see like what kind of apps it can integrate with. So if I go on the chat app, you can see you're using WhatsApp, you're using Telegram, Discord, Slack, iMessage, Signal, Apple Message, whatever you are using, it can connect with any app. Zello, Matrix, Nostr. Then AI models, we can use any AI model like Claude, OpenAI, Google, Twitter AI, ZLM, DeepSeek, whatever you are using, OpenRouter, Perplexity, every AI model it can connect over here. Then productivity, you are using the Notion, Trello, Beer Notes, Obsidian, whatever you are using, you can connect with them. You can access the Spotify music tools as well, right? Then the smart home, we can connect with your home assistant as well. I mean, like you can see the possibility here. You can use this tool, connect with your home assistant, and you can ask it to do any kind of thing that you can want to do on your home, right? It can connect with your browser, Canvas, Voice, Gmail, iPassword, Webhooks, Cron, whatnot, right? Amazon, GF search, Twitter FX, email. It can connect with any tool out there. It can do anything for you. Now, if I go here and show you like what is the more possibility with this, if I go on the skill and plugin, there are a lot of people who are building these skills. So this, if you go on the Claw Hub, You can see a lot of different kind of skills that people are teaching and putting over here. We can simply go and download that, right? So for example, someone create this search bar skill extension. You can simply go and download that zip and it will start getting that skill. So your Claude will learn that skill and then use it, right? Just like a human learns some skill and use it, like you can teach the skills to this Claude bot and you can make it to use that skill to do that work for you. And there are hundreds of skills people already uploaded here. It's like amazing. And then you can teach all of these things to your bot and make it work for you. So MOP integration, MCP adapter, right? Tough coding, whatever, Google Sheets API, you can teach it whatever you want here, right? And this libraries keep getting bigger and bigger. So it's incredible. Like if you are running a business, I would say like this is something gonna change completely everything for you. Uh, People are like hiring this bot to do the work for them. I mean, that's crazy. So if you like this video, by the way, don't forget to subscribe this channel. I am making more videos about the ClawdBot and how you can use AI to make more money, to grow a business and to use it for productivity. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you wanted to learn more about the AI, you can join my membership. I will go much deeper on that on the weekly calls over there. So this is all about the OpenClaw. You can use it in the next video. I will tell you how you can install it on your system in an easy way, and you can install it on your virtual server and what's the pros and cons of this video. So don't forget to watch that next video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.